In our previous lesson, we studied about like terms and unlike terms. And we said terms are said to be like terms if the variables are the same and they have the same exponents. In this lesson, we will study how to add algebraic expressions with rational coefficients. Our objective for this lesson is that by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to add like terms with rational coefficients. We'll start the lesson by looking at how to add algebraic expressions. To add algebraic expressions, one, they have to be like terms. And in adding like terms, we add the coefficients and we attach the variable to it. So for example, if we have 2x plus 3x is equal to, in this case, because they are like terms, the variable here is x and this variable is also x. The power here is 1 and the power here is also 1. So they are like terms. So 2x and 3x, they are like terms. So in adding, we add the coefficients. So 2 plus 3, that gives us 5. And then we attach the variable. So it's like 2 mangoes. If we add 3 mangoes to it, we'll get 5 mangoes. If we also have, so we can name this one 2 x plus x. When a variable is standing without any coefficient, its coefficient is 1. So we have 1 here. Normally we don't write it. So we also have 1 here. So x plus x is 1 plus 1. And that gives us 2. And then we attach the variable, which is x. So 3. If we have 6ab plus 4ab, in this case, because they are like terms, so 6 plus 4 gives us 10. We attach the variable ab. If we have 2m squared plus m squared, so in this case, the coefficient of the second term is 1. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Then we attach the variable, which is m squared. If we have ab plus another ab, the coefficient here is 1 and the coefficient here is also 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Then we attach the variable ab. Now, if we have number 6, if we have 3m squared plus 3m, in this case, the variables are the same, but the power of the first term is 2, and the power of the second term is 1. So since this one is m squared and this one is m, they are unlike terms, and so we cannot add. So 3m squared plus 3m, the answer remains the same thing. So 3m squared plus 3m. It's like adding, anytime we are adding unlike terms, it's like adding 3 oranges to 2 mangoes. You also get 3 oranges and 2 mangoes. So if we have 2a plus 3b, now the variable here is a and the variable here is b. So they are unlike terms. So when you add, the result remains the same, 2a plus 3b. And then if we have 10m plus m plus 2m, it gives us, in this case, the coefficient here is 1. So 10 plus 1 gives us 11 plus 2, 13. So it will be 13m. If we have a squared plus 2a squared. Now the coefficient here is 1. The coefficient here is 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2, plus 2 gives us 4. So we have 4a squared. So if we have y plus y plus y, gives us, the coefficient here is 1. The coefficient here is 1. The coefficient here is 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2 plus 1, 3. So it gives us 3y. So in this lesson, we studied about how to add algebraic expressions. And we said before we can add algebraic expressions, the expressions have to be like terms. And in adding, we add the coefficients and we attach the variables to it. In our next lesson, we will study subtraction of algebraic expressions with rational coefficients. See you in the next lesson.